Welcome. If you've ever wanted to keep your WhatsApp a little more private, or stop it from automatically syncing your phone contacts, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to disable contacts on WhatsApp quick, simple, and updated for 2025. Let's dive straight in. First things first. Open your phone's Settings app. This is where all app controls live, and the change we're making happens outside of WhatsApp itself. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll until you find the section labeled Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on your device type. Tap that to open a list of all installed apps. Next, find WhatsApp in the list and tap on it. This will bring up the app's information screen, the place where you can manage storage, notifications, battery usage, and, most importantly, permissions. We'll be focusing on permissions because that's what controls whether WhatsApp can access contacts saved on your phone. Now, select Permissions. You'll see a series of options that WhatsApp might be using, like camera, microphone, storage, and contacts. This is where we make the crucial change. Tap on Contacts, and then choose Don't Allow or simply Off, depending on your Android version or manufacturer settings. Once you've turned off the contacts permission, WhatsApp will immediately stop reading or syncing phone contacts. That means no new contacts will automatically appear inside the app, and people saved in your phone book won't show up as WhatsApp users unless they've directly messaged you before. Disabling contacts doesn't affect your existing chats or groups. You'll still be able to send and receive messages normally, but WhatsApp won't have access to your phone book anymore. If you ever change your mind, you can go back into the same permission screen and re-enable it with one tap. And that's it. You've successfully disabled contacts on WhatsApp. It's a smart privacy move for anyone who wants to keep their personal information more secure or limit what apps can access. Take control of your digital space and keep your conversations exactly where you want them.